My name is Cordelia. It's the moment of truth you've all been waiting for to test the macaroni out. Even? It's nice and cookie. Now let's try it. Girls and boys, it's nice and yummy. As you say, it's yummy. So, that's yummy. It's so good. Now, I want to give you a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Even hit that notifications. Even hit that bell.